Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Binize CarPlay AI Box with Android system. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto and Android 11. Wireless CarPlay Android Auto adapter is suitable for factory wired CarPlay cars. With the Smart CarPlay AI Box, you can switch between CarPlay and Android Auto at any time. 4-in-1 newly upgraded Magic Box CarPlay wireless adapter with Android 11.0 system. It supports all control modes of the original vehicle, such as maps, make calls, play your favorite music, Siri voice control, steering wheel control, touch screen control and more. Plug and play and easy connection. AI Box is equipped with 2.4 plus 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Both advanced in terms of hardware and software. The AI Box is designed for easy installation. Simply plug it into your car's USB port and connect it to your car's display screen. Once installed, you can easily connect your smartphone to the Magic Box via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This allows you to enjoy all the features of CarPlay or Android Auto without the hassle of cables. Built-in Netflix, YouTube, Play Store, Binize Wireless CarPlay with a range of built-in apps, including TikTok, YouTube, Netflix, Waze, Spotify, and more for you to experience. You can access these apps directly from your car's infotainment system, allowing you to watch movies, TV shows, and other content while on the go. Note: the AI Box CarPlay adapter comes with a TF card slot. You could insert a TF card up to 128 GB, not included, to pre-download the audio or video content you desire. Binize Android AI Box Basic version released. This CarPlay Magic Box can convert your vehicle's wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Android 11.0 system, built-in Android apps, YouTube and Netflix and Disney Plus and TikTok. Equipped with quad-core CPU, 2 GB RAM, plus 16 GB ROM, watch videos online or offline for a romantic drive-in theater experience. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.